BMW just completed something extraordinary. A complete Boxer family. 4 motorcycles, 1 engine, 1 philosophy. The R1300 GS, the R1300R, the R1300 RT, and now, the one that ties it all together, the 2026 BMW R1300 RS. The sport tourer that sprinkles some very serious sporting ingredients into the touring recipe. You are watching Motoverse. Let us find out if BMW got the balance right. BMW engineers fitted the fairing with a new contoured design, a spit face front end, distinctive, aggressive, unmistakably RS. The ergonomics are now noticeably sportier and more front-wheel oriented, without compromising the typical BMW RS qualities of comfort for touring and long-distance travel. 4 packages available: Racing Blue, Triple Black, Performance, and Option 719 Kuyamaka. Each one a completely different character, same brilliant foundation. At its core, the 1,301 cubic centimeter ShiftCam Boxer Twin, 145 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute, 110 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The 6-speed transmission repositioned under the motor for a lower center of gravity. The wheels 3 pounds lighter than last year. This is not just more power, this is a fundamentally better chassis, more compact, more centralized, more alive. The Boxer engine configuration has been in BMW's lineup since the R32 debuted at the Berlin Motor Show in 1923. 100 years of Boxer evolution arriving at this. Standard features include engine drag torque control, cornering ABS Pro, dynamic traction control, and full LED lighting. A new riding assistance system incorporating active cruise control and frontal collision warning. Active cruise control on a sport tourer? Standard! BMW has not forgotten that this motorcycle eats motorway miles for breakfast and needs to do it safely at every speed. Starting price, $16,995 in the US, though as BMW always does, the options list can take that significantly higher. The 2026 BMW R1300 RS is the most complete sport tourer BMW has ever built. Sportier than its predecessor, more powerful than anything that came before, and still deeply, unmistakably a BMW. Rolling through the Black Forest with cruise set, heated everything humming, and a flat twin purring beneath, representing Germanic efficiency at its absolute best. That is the R1300 RS. In one sentence, 2026 BMW R1300 RS, 9.2 out of 10. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, subscribe to Motoverse. Until next time, keep the rubber side down.